What is the number one most frustrating thing to do when you need to request for a day off or need to take time off of work? Go stand in line at the DMV to get something as simple as your registration. Why would you go stand in line? Well, you want to go get your registration without paying an extra fee, correct? So now you're in the cold, now you're in the heat, now you're out there at the DMV. So you get to the front of the line, you're ready to renew your registration, and all of a sudden you're pending a insurance verification, you're pending a smog. They will not issue you out a sticker there. What happens? You come to us at Adriana's and we issue you your sticker on the spot. We can do a 30-day extension period for you to get your smog, but at least you'll pay your balance and there will be no penalty fees, so that when your registration is due, your fees are now paid, you no longer have any penalty fees. What is the one most common question I get? Well, there's a kiosk at the DMV. Can't they issue my stickers? Sure. 60% of the time it'll issue it. The other 40%, not so much. Because it is technology and technology can't fail, it might not provide you with the sticker. I get that concern all the time. You come to me at Adriana's, that will not be a concern because I am there. I am glad to help you. We'll figure out what needs to get done, and I'll make sure that you walk out of there with your registration renewed and your sticker for the rest of the year. So what happens if you don't have your registration? What happens if you didn't get a notice from the DMV that you need to renew your registration? What happens if you don't have a copy of your title or the title itself to renew your registration? Absolutely no problem. We can offer you the Form 156, which is a replacement of your registration card, and we can go ahead and issue out that sticker. You asked me, do I have to go stand in line to turn in this paper? Of course not. I will take it, I will verify it, and we will go ahead and use that Form 156 to verify the vehicle information and to go ahead and issue out your registration renewal. So what happens if you lost your plates, or they were stolen, or one of them fell off in the middle of the freeway? We can also provide you with duplicate or replacement plates, and we would provide you with the Form 156, which also lets us ask for replacement plates. All replacement plates do come with new stickers and your month sticker, including your registration card. And no, you do not need a police report in case it was stolen or lost. The only time you need a police report is if you're going to transfer the vehicle under somebody else's name, or that vehicle is going to be transferred under your name. Other than that, it's a very smooth process. There's no waiting in line. We can do it on the spot. Adriana's can issue you your plates immediately with your new stickers as well. So if there's one thing I would love for you to take away from this video, is that you do not need to go to the DMV and stand in line and waste a day's worth of work, or pay for a babysitter, or be stressed out for the rest of the day. Here at Adriana's Insurance, we can go ahead and facilitate all your DMV services, including registrations, titles, suspensions, and release of liabilities. Just give me a call and I'll go ahead and assist you with that. Once again, my name is Diane Garcia, and I am the DMV title clerk here at Adriana's Insurance, and we will see you in the next video.